Oh, hi guys. This is How to Make Yourself Sneeze number 2, and How to Make Yourself Sneeze number 1 is by Casey, and I'm sort of copying her with this, but the reason why is because I want you to see the difference of our, when we sneeze. This is How to Make Yourself Sneeze. Of course, you know that, but she sneezes wildly, and I'm probably gonna sneeze little, but it's still gonna be a real sneeze. So if it's a good way to just sneeze. You sneeze. So you need to get a tissue. And you kind of need to, not exactly crumble it, but you need to wind it up at the top. That's my friend. And you need, okay, that. And then, this might look sketchy, but I'm just gonna cover it, but yeah, it might look sketchy, so no, whatever. It keeps folding down on me. Okay, so this might look sketchy once again, so I'm gonna cover it, so no, whatever. No, whatever. Oh, if you hear that music in the background, it's my sister. Sorry, she's just doing stuff.
Louis, what are you doing?
Making a YouTube video? That's my friend. Yeah, why? What? Oh, excuse me. So, hang on one sec. What were you gonna say?
What are you doing?
I'm just making a YouTube video.
What?
How to make yourself sneeze. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. Excuse me. Yeah. Please subscribe. Hang on one sec. I just have to have something. So yeah. I have clothes on. I can hear you. I can still hear you down there. That's rude. Dad, just go away. Bye. Mwah, mwah.